Hello, this is Mr. Mark, and today we're going to be talking about citations in Google Docs. So let's get started. So here's the situation. You're writing a research paper using MLA formatting. Your paper is going well, but when you reach a certain part, you need more information. So you do what any good student would do, and you go online to find it. Once you find the information that you want to use, you add it to your paper. Then you cite the source. And cite means you give a citation for where you found it. Go up top to the menu and select Tools, Citations, and it will open up on the right side the citation menu. At the top right of this window, it says MLA, and then there's a drop down arrow. Click it and you can see you're able to change to APA or Chicago author date style reporting. We're going to use MLA, so click it. Below that it says Add Citation Source. Click it. Now here's our source type. Click the down arrow to see the options. We have book, bookception, website, journal article, and newspaper article. Now we're going to get our article from the website. So we go back here and we click website. So below source type and accessed by, it says contributors. And then it says author. And below that it says first name, middle, surname, or last name. So we have to go back to the article to see what we're looking at. So it says contributor. In this case, it's by Simon Bat. So then we go back to our Google document and we fill in the information. Simon Bat. There is no middle initial, so we don't have to include it. If more than one person wrote this article, you would add them here by clicking contributor. And then you would follow the same steps as before. But since there's only one author, we only need to list it one time. So on the right side it says title. Let's look back at the article. The title is, how does Bluetooth work? Does it use my data plan? Let's just copy that. Copy. Let's go back to the Google Doc. Let's paste it in there. And then it asks for the website title. So let's go back to the website. The website title is Make Use Of. So let's go back to the Google Doc. Add that in. Make use of. So next, the document asks us for the publisher. So let's look at the article and see if we can find the publisher. A lot of times, information about the article, the owners, can be found at the bottom, where all the legal stuff is at. It's either in About Us or Ownership Policy. Who owns the website? So let's look there. And here it says, Make Use Of has been owned and operated by online publisher Valnet, Inc. So let's go back to the Google Doc and type Valnet, Inc. Next, it asks us about the URL. It goes right here. So let's go back and look at the article. So the URL, Uniform Reference Locator, is right here. Copy the information and add it back in Google Docs where it says URL. Then it asks for published day, published month, and published year. For that, we have to go back to the article. And then we find it right underneath the author's name, December 15th, 2020. So we go back to the Google document and we put it in. The day is the 15th, the month is December, and the year is 2020. Next it asks access day, access month, or access year. That's when you go and you find the article and you use it in your paper. And if you look at the bottom right corner, you can see all that information is here. Friday, January 1st, 2021. So the day is 1, the month is January, and the year is 2021. The last block is short title. Short title means if there is no author listed in the article, you can list a shortened version of the title of the article. You would put that here. Next, click Add Citation Source. Google Docs automatically adds the citation source to the article, and you can see it here. Properly formatted citation. If you hover over the citation with your cursor, you can see the word cite in the top right corner. Earlier, you put your mouse at the end of the sentence, then you go back to where it says cite and click it. It automatically adds the last name of the person who wrote the article. So now I've properly cited all of this information here. After everything is finished, you need to create your bibliography page. But normally, your bibliography is on a page by itself. So to create another page, you press Control and Enter. To create the bibliography, there's a button in the bottom right corner of your page that says Insert Bibliography. Click it. The bibliography will be properly formatted and added to your paper. And that's what a properly formatted bibliography looks like. And that is how you do citations in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.